Hi, this is Tony and Denise from Extreme Carpet Cleaning and Restoration. Today we want to talk to you about our online gift card. All you have to do is go to our webpage and look this up. You can put somebody's name in there, the amount that they want to spend, and give this to them. Hang it on the tree for Christmas time. It's a perfect little gift to give. So Denise, go ahead and explain how this works a little bit.
Yeah, it's super easy. You're just going to go to www.carpetcleaningincoeuralene.com. You'll scroll down a little bit and you'll see the gift card on there. You can get it for any amount and they never expire, and it's good for any of our services.
Which are?
Carpet cleaning, tile cleaning, wood floor cleaning, area rug cleaning, furniture cleaning, linoleum cleaning.
Goes on and on and on.
Mattress cleaning. So, like I said, they never expire. You can send them as a gift instantly through the email, or you can schedule it or buy one for yourself. But makes a good Christmas gift maybe for your parents or grandparents who normally maybe wouldn't spend that money to do that for themselves.
That's right.